we're going to explain how to unprotect an Excel file without a password. Keep in mind that attempting to access a password-protected file without authorization is illegal and unethical. This information is provided for educational purposes only, to help you recover access to your own files if you've forgotten the password. There's no guaranteed method if you don't know the password, but we'll explore some possibilities. 1. Check for a simple password. Start with the most obvious. Try common passwords like password134 or your birth date. If the file belongs to you, you might remember part of the password or have it written down somewhere. 2. Try password recovery tools. Several software programs specialize in recovering passwords from Excel files. These tools employ various techniques to crack or guess passwords, ranging from brute force attacks to dictionary attacks. Be aware that these tools might not always be successful and can take a significant amount of time, depending on the password complexity and the tool's capabilities. Use these with caution and only on files you own. 3. Examine the file properties. Sometimes the password might be stored within the file's properties, although this is not common. Right-click on the Excel file, select Properties, and check if any relevant information is listed that might provide clues. 4. Look for backup copies. If you regularly back up your files, you might have an unprotected version saved earlier. Check your backup storage locations or cloud services to see if an older version of the file exists without the password protection. 5. Contact the file owner. If you don't own the file, contact the person who shared it with you and request that they provide the password or remove the protection. This is the most ethical and reliable approach. 6. Check for sheet protection. The entire workbook might not be protected. Only specific sheets within it could have password protection. Try accessing different sheets to see if any are unprotected. If you find an unprotected sheet, you might be able to copy data from the protected sheets, but not modify them directly. 7. Open with different software. While less likely to succeed, attempting to open the file using a different software program, like Google Sheets or LibreOffice Calc, could occasionally bypass password protection. However, this is highly dependent on the software and the type of protection used. 8. Remember, ethical considerations are paramount. Unauthorized access to protected files is a serious offense. Only use these methods on files you own and have the right to access. If you are unable to access a file you need, your best option is always to contact the owner or use legitimate recovery tools only on your own files. It is crucial to respect intellectual property rights and